Whoa. This bar turned out really nice. This one is called, the scent is called Eighth and Ocean or something like that. Anyway, I'm going to show you. Just got to hold it down because the marble makes it slip. And yeah, it's slipping as I cut it actually. I just want to show you how pretty that turned out. Oh. Yeah, so this one is called Eighth and Ocean, I believe it's called. Anyway, it's really pretty. I love the waves. I was trying to achieve like a wave effect, and it looks like I nailed it. So yeah, whoop. There we go. So I'll show you up a little bit closer. It's really pretty. I'm going to cut one more for you. So again, because I'm using temporarily, I'm just using a cheese slicer. I have to just make sure when I cut it that I hold it down because it's marble, so it's pretty slippery. All right. Let me try this one so you can see the cut from there. And then, whoop, and then this one. Look at how pretty those swirls are. Yo, I love it. Next time I'll try it with maybe a blue. But this is the Copper Penny, so it's really, really pretty. Okay, so that's the next batch that I have ready. Talk to you again.